How to remove any picture's background. In this video I will show you the best ways to remove backgrounds of any picture you want. So let's get started. A lot of beginners have this problem. They don't know how to make these pictures PNG because it's not a great idea to upload a JPG pictures to your shop. It's not professional and you miss a lot of colors available. So you must convert the pictures to PNG and remove the background. The first choice for me is the best and fast. It's Canva. With Canva you can remove any background with one click, and also you keep the same resolution of the picture. And I will show you how. Open your account on Canva. Now click at Effect. And choose this. And voila. And also you can edit this picture the way you want, like this. Or you can open a free website, type Lunapic on Google and click at here. After upload your design here, and click at Transparent. And voila, in just 5 seconds you will have your PNG ready. After you can click at Save to download the picture. And if you don't have a Canva Pro, just download your designs from Canva at format JPG and remove the background in this website. Easy and fast, and there is a lot of websites online can help you to remove the backgrounds, but most of them are paid, like this popular website remove.pg. You can remove the background here easy, but the picture lost a lot of resolution, and if you want to keep the resolution high you must pay a monthly subscription. So for that I give you these two websites, Canva and Lunapic. And of course if you work on Illustrator you can download the design on the format PNG easily. So guys, this is the end of this fast video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like. This is your friend Saad here, and see you in the next video.